hold. Come southeast. Come southeast, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast. Come southeast, southeast. Hold. Yo, walk. Wait. Yo, west side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, southeast. Southeast. Yeah.
Oh, west.
Come east.
Others are come out.
Come east. You can come, Mary. You can come.
They just hit.
This three-way.
Come west.
Yeah,
Come
right.
north. Hold.
Turn southwest, level 17.
Come northwest. Hold. Yo, come north. Come east.
Hindi from northwest.
Come east. Don't hug the wall. Come southeast. Yo, come southeast. Definitely. Take space southeast. Come southeast. I'm on the ping. Yo, definitely. Yo, shallow on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me now. Come southeast. Left now. Walk into them.
Okay,
Walk in, boys. Walk in. Come north.
There's someone rush, please.
Northeast now. Keep going northeast.
You have a Zerg on your south. Enemy Zerg on south.
Push. Come northeast. East on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East now.
Please look at me coming.
Push east, boys. East. Run them over northeast. Keep going northeast.
He's coming back. They
Keep going northeast. Keep going northeast. Keep going. On the choke, ready, okay? CC them on the choke. CC. On the choke, ready?
Pierce mo sa likod kaya. Okay.
Please look in behind us.
Oh my god. Yo, come southwest. Come northeast. Come northeast. Hello. Where's my DPS? Where's my defensive guys? Why the heck? Gilang. Wait lang, pre. I need to fix my...
Walking
Pierce,
Come
walking.
east.
Pierce looking west side.
Pierce looking. Southwest.
Looking west side. Ira naka made sure.
Gijing.
Coming.
Come east, boys. Come east. Come east. I need wait for Marike. Every time they hit, we die. I don't know why. I don't understand.
We have 10 decline now.
1 BM died.
How the fuck are you guys saying like that?
Yo,
Come southeast. Come southeast.
Pierce looking.
Come southeast.
Looking.
Come southeast. Where are you at, Mari? Can you hit northwest for me, Mari?
They just engage.
Come northwest. Yo, on me. Wait, on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Hit. Come southeast. They're just gonna kite. Gumari, can you flank them? Pierce. Northwest of them. Ready def. You can mount up Gumari and this one in front of them. Hold on. I tell you when they engage, okay? Def. Now walk in. Boots in. Gumari, go northwest. On me, 5, 4, on the jug, 3, 2, 1, on the jug. No damage. Come southeast. Ready def, okay? Come east. Come southeast. Get ready potion. Gumari, you can go northwest of them.
First looking.
Walk into them. Hit it. Go northwest.
Your southwest Zerg looking at you. West side.
Come east. I'm on the ping. Northwest. Come on. Are they pushing you? I'm coming to you. Come on. What's on me? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pasti. Push them. Keep pushing them. Keep pushing them. Get ready defense on the choke, okay? Hold on the choke. I need some
Watching Ira.
Okay, keep pushing northeast. Keep pushing northwest. Keep pushing Pushing north, pushing west, keep pushing west, keep pushing west. Come west, come west, come west, come west. Just walk, just walk, just walk. Guard rules,
Going to the chunk, eh.
I know. Hold
Ilong,
on.
ilong.
Walk again. Ditang.
3 stack, eh. 3 stack.
Walk. 3 on the jog. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Okay, push.
Ira here.
Okay, come southeast. How many
Looking
days?
na. Same pa rin ko. Same,
Come
4.
southeast. Yo, def ready and walk into them. Def.
Third day now, third day
Walk
now.
now. Walk in.
Build the shaper.
Walk in. On the jug.
Pierce walking up, Pierce walking up northwest. Pierce walking up northwest.
On the jug. Push.
North coming, northwest coming. Northwest coming.
Keep pushing east. Come east. Okay, come back west. Don't die. Come west.
Please stay back the wish. Please look
Pierce,
at
pass the choke. Si Pierce, Parcel, don't hit that.
Come northwest now. Yo, my Zerg, don't overextend. Follow me. We only do one engage, boys.
Engage.
They haven't engaged. Engage si Pierce.
Engage northwest, ha?
Hold.
Too far northwest.
Yo, inside 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside.
Full penga, ha? Penga. Balik mo na penga.
Come northwest.
Pass the choke na yan.
Come northwest.
Ready yan, northwest.
They lowing.
Let's go.
Engaging them.
Yo, walk into them now. Boots in now.
Look, the mountain here.
Boots in. My D-tank, you can mount up. Party to D-tank, mount up. Walk into them. Yo, Gumari, just mount up and dismount on top of them. Yeah. Going southwest. Come southwest. Keep going. Gumari, wait, okay. If they hit the choke, get ready potion on the choke, guys. We're just gonna full lock in.
They looking.
Yeah. Def now. Walk again. Demari, you can dismount on them. Walk. Southeast. On me, southeast. 5. On the GA. 4, 3, 2, 1. On the GA now. Umi now.
Nice one.
Come south. Going south. Just go south. They have engaged now, Gumari. Careful. Come south. They're kiting south. Come south. Def ready on the choke, okay? Pila ka south. Come south. Def ready. Keep walking. You look at east side on the choke. East side on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Only sit down. Kill it. Keep going. I'm on the ping. They're kiting north. I'm north. On the ping. Come north. I'm going to you. Careful. They have engaged now. Keep going. Keep going north. Go north. East.
They pointing up, kid.
Yo, cash him. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yo, my D-tank, guys, please. Like, if we fight 2 Zerg, like, 1 leader, like, should assign you, like, 2 Zerg each. Please. 1 D-tank each, every Zerg. You guys decided to, like, assign yourself when you got hit so hard already. Come southeast. Let's kill the... Let's get the castle.
Kira yung first yung takasa